There are different formatting possibilities in ABAP development tool. You can add or remove comments to a block of a source code. You can format only the section, method, function or subroutine where the cursor is positioned. You can format the selected block. And of course, you can also format the whole source code in the current editor. You can also fold and unfold code blocks like class definition, implementation, methods, if or loop statements. For example, here we can fold and unfold this try statement, if statement. Information about the hidden source code part is displayed in the separate window. There is also highlighting of start and end statements for the surrounding block in your code. For example, now the cursor is in if and if block, and correspondingly if and if are highlighted. For example, if you move the cursor to this try block, then the try and try block gets highlighted.